Hello and welcome back to another video of Python 2020. Today in this video, we will see how to send email with attachment using Excel data. So in this Excel, we have file name and we will loop on each row and send email with file name with attachment using Power Automate. Here you can see this is my folder, data folder. In this data folder, I have one Excel. This is the customer details Excel I have. You can see I have data like first name, last name, email ID and file name also. So you can see this folder. I have 4 files also. So this file I will use as an attachment. Excel, here you can see I have given this same name. Okay. We will do read a Excel and loop on each row and read a first name. Based on this first name, we will send a attachment file, okay, from the folder. Okay, so go on Power Automate, create a new flow, and down. And here I'm selector for a selected row. Okay, select this one and create. Here you can see flow is created and location. So here I'm using OneDrive. Okay, click on this. Uh, Select this OneDrive for a business. Now document library, click on this drop down and select OneDrive. For file, click this folder icon and my folder name is data and my Excel file name is customer data. Select this one. Okay. Now table. So you can see I'm just click on table. Table name is a data table. Okay. Click this drop down and here you can see it automatically taken table data. Now add a new step. Click this one. Write list file in folder. Here we will select OneDrive list file in folder. Okay, select this one and here we will select the folder. So our folder is data. Okay, now click on new step. Here I will use apply to each action. Okay, this one. Now here we will take a value variable. Okay. Now click on add a action. So here I will use condition. Go to control. This condition action I will use. Here we'll take a file name. Okay. File name is equal to display name. Okay. This one. Now click on add a action. Type get file content. So again we will take OneDrive for business action. Okay. Now here I'm using ID, the unique identifier ID. Okay. And again we will add new action. This action is send email. We will take send an email Office 365 Outlook. Take this one. Here we will use on this add dynamic content. Here we will use email formatted. See this email formatted. Okay. And now subject. So here I am giving the subject line details like now. Here I am giving the like hi and I want the customer name. So first name. Here we will write a body. Please find attached file and here I want file name. Okay. Here I'm click file name. Now thanks. Now here I want police. Like okay. So this is okay. Go to on advanced option. Attachments first. So here I'm select name only. Name. Now here I'm select. You can see file content variable. Okay, click this. Now click on save. Now it's done. Go to the OneDrive. Here you can see this is my Excel. So let me local Excel. Now you can see this is the our OneDrive Excel. First select all rows. Now go to the data. Here you can see the icon of Power Automate. If you not seen this icon on your online Excel, go to the file and click on this add get add in and add this icon. Okay. Now flow and you have to sign in also. And here you can see our flow is showing here. So we will run from here. Okay. Now click on continue, run flow, then go to the Power Automate, my flow. Now you can see now you can see our flow is succeed. Okay. Let me check in my Outlook. Now you can see mail is from here. Okay. Now you can see the mail and customer name in the file name. I think here you can see I have not given the space after file name. Okay, now thanks. Let me close it. Add it and condition send name. Okay, so here I have not given the space like that. Save. Now also we have to check In send mail, here you can see from forward to send mail is sent successfully. Support and ST and this customer name or email sent successfully. Hope you like the content of this video. Please hit the like button. One like is a big support for our YouTube channel and subscribe my channel for more video. I will see you in the next video with new topic on Power Automate. Till then, happy learning.